Well, 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 if it isn't someone trying to find a way out of doing actual work before a meeting, well, you came to the right spot, because I'm going to show you exactly how to use a simple AI workflow to do just that. This automation will get you everything you need to know about the person that you're meeting with before you meet with them, making you the most prepared person that you've ever been to get on calls. So let's get into it, shall we? Now, the way this automation works is unbelievably simple, okay? When someone books time on your Calendly link, it's gonna run through this very simple automation, and then it creates a task for you on a ClickUp calendar so that you can look at your meeting before it happens, and you're basically gonna get a breakdown of their professional history and their personal history so that you can go into the meeting knowing as much about your prospect as possible, all right? And this is how it works. Template links are in the description if you want them. So in Zapier, when invite is created, all right, so when the invite is created in Calendly, we're gonna have a very simple prompt to Perplexity search and ask it to find research on this person and their email. And then on the second one, we're gonna specify do research on this person and based on their professional domain, and do research on their company. Take both of those pieces of research and create a ClickUp task for it in this step. That's it, okay? So whenever you have a meeting scheduled, you get a fun little ClickUp task here that gives you all the information about the person before you have to go meet with them. And if you want to look at the list view, they're here too. So you can go on your list, you can see the meeting date, and then you can open the task the same way and get that personal and professional research about that person. So I'll leave the template to this ClickUp list, and I will leave the template to the Zapier automation so you can connect them both together. But again, very, very simple. Just whenever a meeting is booked, does research on the person you're about to meet with and puts it into a ClickUp task for you so you can review it before you meet with them. If you want more stuff to help you cheat at work, basically, let's not lie to ourselves, that's what we're all doing here, then make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below with what else you want to see automated.